In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headings in Google Docs. Whether you're organizing a lengthy report or just trying to give some structure to a shorter document, headings can be a great way to make your content more visually appealing and easier to navigate. So, let's jump right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Docs. Once you've located Google Docs in the search results, go ahead and click on the link to open it up. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials to access your documents. Now that you're logged in, you'll have the option to either open an existing document or create a brand new one. For this demonstration, you can select any document where you want to add headings. Once your document is open, scroll through it and select the text you wish to turn into a heading. This could be just a single word, a phrase, or an entire sentence, depending on how you want your document to be structured. With your text selected, look at the top of the screen where you'll see the menu bar. Click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover your cursor over Paragraph Styles. This action will present you with several options for headings, usually titled Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on, depending on the style and subheading structure you prefer. Alternatively, if you find it more convenient, you can also click on the Normal Text drop-down in the toolbar. This is usually located towards the left of the toolbar. There, you'll find the same selection of heading styles. Once you've decided which heading style best suits your needs, perhaps Heading 1 for main titles and Heading 2 for subheadings, click on your chosen style. Remember, headings have the added benefit of providing a hierarchical structure to your document, making it more accessible, especially in longer pieces of writing. Finally, after selecting a heading style, simply click Apply. Your chosen text will now transform into the formatted heading you've selected. This not only changes the appearance of your text, but also ensures consistency and readability throughout your document. And there you have it. You've successfully added headings to your Google Doc. It's a simple but powerful tool that can vastly improve the organization and flow of your document. If you ever want to change or update a heading, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.